with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for always stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Christine and you're so much welcome to my family. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so that you will get to enjoy some of our good content. So today guys, we are just going to spend a few days with me and it's just some random days and we'll be doing quite a lot. So today's in the evening and I'm just trying to prepare some dinner for the family. So I have here some mbuzi ribs, that is goat ribs, and I'm trying to marinate them. Yeah, though we thought about this dinner quite late, so I'm just going to marinate for like 2 or 3 hours. Then I'll be baking it and I'll prepare it with ugali and some kales. Yeah, so get to enjoy the video. I've not used so much spices. I actually blended some onions and pepper, yeah, and added in some turmeric powder, black pepper, and some salt and some oil. Yeah, so that's what I'm using to marinate my ribs, and then I'll just keep it in the fridge for 3 hours. Then I'll come back and bake it. So I hope that you get to enjoy the video. Please stay tuned for more, and kindly don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't skip the ads. Kindly share if you can, and also like the video and leave a comment in the comment section below.
I'm halfway out, just trying to lose you now. Yeah, it was an illusion now. Yeah, I just wanna see you out. So give it up, leaving all your texts on red with the games you left now. Give it up, I'm sick of all the things you said getting in my head now. So I don't wanna know, I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know. Yeah, it was an illusion now. You're leaving all the doors locked out. Yeah, I don't wanna know. Yeah, I don't wanna know.
So after marination, I covered and put it in the oven. Then after it had cooked, I wanted it to dry, so I removed the foil and just put it on that mesh so that it can dry well. Yeah.
So I don't wanna know all the things that you left in my brain. Starting all over again. Yeah, I only put it away. Now you run back in my face. Yeah, I'm done with all that you can say. Yeah, so leave me alone. 'Cause I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know where you go. I don't wanna know. Yeah, it was an illusion now. You're leaving all the doors locked out. Yeah, I don't wanna know.
So I'm making ugali and we already made some kales, you can see in the other pot. And Nicolette is making some kachumbari, guys. Yeah, so many people have always asked me about my pots. Yeah, my pots are Turkey. They are not, yeah, they're specifically from Turkey. The brand is San, S-A-N in capital. Yeah, and unfortunately, these pots, I've searched for them everywhere in Kamkunji and they are out of stock from the shop that I bought them from. And but I was told to check mid-November just in case they will be back. Yeah, so they were going for around 20k. Yeah guys, so our meal is ready, so let's just go and enjoy our dinner.
So I don't wanna know.
so this is the next day in the morning and I want to leave the house. Yeah, I'm ready. I want to go to town and see if I can change my glasses. If you hear any sounds, yeah, that is the plumbing is going on the rooftop. They have finished up the 2 floors that they were adding, and they've also put a slab on top, so plumbing just started today. So there'll be a lot of noise in this house. If you can bear with me, yeah, I'm sorry about that, but I have to go on with shooting, of course. Yeah, so I want to go to town and change my glasses. So my lenses were due, and yeah, I feel that they are not serving me well right now. So I've used them for 2 years. They are very good lenses. Yeah, so I want to go and change the whole thing, the frame and the lenses. I'm bored with this frame, of course. Yeah, so I want to go and I want to go to where I usually do my eye thing, so I can get some new one, so they can book, yeah, they can prepare for a new one, maybe for collection next week. Yeah, that's what happens. So before I do that, I want to show you my dining seats. So yesterday evening my dining seats came. I had ordered for actually 4. Yeah, so they came and it took me a while to decide on make a decision on the design of the seats that I wanted. But again, I wanted very comfortable seats that when I get guests, they can use them. Yeah, they can use them the whole day apart from just using them on the dining. Yeah, so that's why I went for the seats that I want to show you. So another thing that happened yesterday is that my old machine went. Yeah, I gave it out to someone. So I have been hunting for a machine. Yeah, an automatic machine actually. But unfortunately the LG that I wanted, the prices have shot, guys. They have gone up. They were on offer. An NKG was on offer at 97, but now it has gone back to its normal price at 113. So that's what I could afford. But right now I'm opting for a Samsung. I'm not sure, a Samsung, a Mika, or I just be patient and wait for me to get the same LG, a 9kg. A 9kg can fit a duvet very well, and I don't wash duvets often because I use duvet covers, so that's okay with me. Yeah, so I'm still contemplating on whether to just go for a Mika, which is a cheaper one, or I go for a Samsung, which I can afford right now, or just wait so that I can get an LG maybe after a month or 2. Yeah, so if I decide to wait for an LG, that means I'll be hand washing. I'll go back to hand washing because of course I gave out the other machine. Yeah, so I want to show you the seats. Yeah, so these seats, unfortunately, yeah, let me just show you first. So these are the seats I got. Yeah, so they came 3 yesterday, and the seats are very expensive, guys. If I tell you the price for these seats, you won't believe it. Yeah, but I wanted to get 4, then I can decide whether to get an extra 2 or leave it for now. Yeah, but unfortunately the seats are big. The design of the seats makes the seats big. Yeah, and if they would have been made very small, then they would not fit. They would not fit a person who is a little bigger than me. Yeah, but yeah, so that's why I think we decided with the fundi that he's going to take these seats back, and we are going to look for a very simple design, so that he can make those ones for me. Yeah, but I really love these ones. I really loved this design because with this design I can sit on comfortably. Yeah, so it fits me, and there is a space here. So this is how, sorry, this belt is misbehaving. Yeah, so I can fit here very comfortable, you can see. So it would have been a very nice seat and very good. but unfortunately it has to go back. They have to go back. So two are here and one is in my bedroom. So we have decided on another design that will be made. Maybe that will take a bit longer, yeah, but I'll be patient, guys. I don't want to rush about it. So we can get maybe 4 of those, then we can decide for the other 2 later, when maybe next year when we get money for the other 2. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you. So let me know in the comment section the noise. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these seats. But I love the way the foodie hacked the frame of this seat. Yeah, I really love it, and it's very comfortable, and you can sit here actually. You can sit here the whole day, guys. You can sit here the whole day. It's very comfortable. Yeah. So unfortunately they have to go, guys. So when I get the other new ones, the other ones, I will show you.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we be my ride or die. Oh, we can do this every night. Will you be my ride or die?
Guys, I'm back and I want to show you. I'm back from town. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to change my glasses, yeah, due to one reason or the other. Yeah, so until further notice. Yeah, so I want to show you what I got. So I've just gotten this. I want to take this. I'm so hungry. Yeah, I'm really hungry, and I got these success cards. These are success cards. I got 1, 2, 3, and this one here. Yeah, so these are for Nicolette. She's going to sit for her KPSEA. KPSEA is grade 6 examination, if you don't know. Yes, so she's going to sit for KPSEA. So I got her this as a family. So we are going to write to her, yeah, this, just to wish her success in her exam. Yeah, so when we used to be in school, we used to be very happy when we received success cards, and those times success cards were being posted by poster. So you used to receive yours every Friday, especially boarding school. In secondary, we used to wait to see if you'll get a success card. Yeah, so it used to be a nice feeling receiving a success card from your loved one. Yeah, so I got her these 4 cards, and we will write to her. Yeah, so I got this biscuit. Yeah, this manji. I want to have that with some soda, Coke. Yeah, so another thing I got, so I got this. I got a Bible. Yeah, so we needed a Bible. So Nicole, actually it's Nicole who needed a Bible. So we'll be giving her one of our Bibles, our old Bibles, and so I was replacing with this one, and I needed a small one that can fit in my handbag, yeah, when going to church. Yeah, so I got this one, and so I'll be giving Nicole one of our old one. Yeah, but I think I'll be getting her a new one. Yeah, so because she really needed an Old Testament Bible. She has some New Testament Bibles. I don't know where she took her Old Testament Bible. Yeah, but she used to have one, so I'll give her mine, and I got another one. So today was all about Nicole. So there are some things I got for her. I'll show you this. So I got her this. So there are some requirements they need for exam. So they wanted a 30 centimeter ruler. So I got her that. I also got her this Oxford set. So I got a clear one. Apparently these are the ones being used in exams by so many people. Yeah, she had a set, actually the other metal Oxford set, but Nicole is so careless, let me just use that term, because she comes home every day without a ruler, without a protractor, without a compass. Yeah, so everything in the set gets lost, and then in the long run the set gets disconnected and everything is just in its own world. Yeah, so I got her this just for exam. Yeah, and I also got her a clear clipboard. This is the clipboard they requested us to buy them. Yeah, so I got her this clear clipboard, and they also asked us to buy 3 HB pencils. Yeah, so these are her requirements for the examinations, the KPSEA exam. Yeah, so another thing I got her were these dresses. Yeah, so I was looking for nitawachapa. Unafanya nini? So I'm collecting some dresses for her because she has dresses, yes, but her dresses are above knee, and I realized that she doesn't want to put on dresses that are above knee, especially for church. Even at home, yeah, she doesn't like short dresses. So I got some 3 dresses for her. I'm just crossing my fingers that they will fit her perfectly. Yeah, the lengthwise. Yeah, I'm crossing my fingers that lengthwise they will fit her, because these are nice dresses that she can use for Sabbath school on Saturdays. Yeah, we are Seventh-day Adventists, so we don't call it Sunday school, but I'm used to calling Sunday school. So today I remembered it's Sabbath school and not Sunday school. Yeah. So this is the first one, a nice cute red dress. I really love this dress. I'm just hoping, and these are camera dresses, guys. These are camera dresses. There's a guy in town who sells these dresses. Yeah, so let me just show you properly. So this is the first one. Nicole is quite tall, so I'm just hoping that it will fit. It will fit her. Yeah, this is cute. And then there is this girly dress that has some purplish and yellow, which yellow is her color, but this is cream color, cream yellow. Yeah, so this is very cute. Yeah, so I love this. I love it so much. Yeah, so this one she can wear with maybe this color of doll shoe. Yeah, this color of doll shoes. Yeah, this she can wear with her white doll shoes. She has white doll shoes. And the one I'm sure that will fit is this one, and this dress is quite cute, guys. Yeah, so this is another dress, and I love the pleats. I love the back side. Just see the back side, and the front side it's pleated, 2 pleats here. Yeah, I love the design so much, and I love the gully here. It's called not so bad. Yeah, it's not so bad, it's cute. Yeah, not so bad, it's cute. Yeah, so I really love this dress. All the dresses I got her are cute. Or what do you think, guys? What do you think? Yeah, so I hope that maybe when she comes back in the evening, I'll let her fit and then I'll show you. Yeah, so for now she's still in school. She'll be back at around 6 p.m. Yeah, so that time she can fit, and then maybe I will show you guys how they look on her. Yeah, so I'm very happy. I know she will be very happy, and I'm just hoping that they fit perfectly lengthwise. This way there's no problem, because you can always take on a foot you can always take to a foot to adjust. So the only thing I'm concerned is the length, because if they become a little bit short, she will just keep them in the closet and she won't wear them. So I need to declutter most of her dresses, because she is not putting on those dresses completely. Yeah, so let me just take the soda. Today was all about Nicole. Yeah, and I know she will be very happy, because I didn't even buy this 2 other kids anything. I just bought them yogurt, so I know she will be very happy. Yeah, so
a Norfolk night, the world is surrounded. We are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. And North ignite. The world is cold.
So guys, this is another day in the afternoon. So we came out just to have some to share a meal and some conversations with friends. Yeah, so we are 3 couples. Yeah, so we just decided that we should come and have some time together and share some a meal together. Yeah, as we try to catch up. Yeah, so this place is it's in Eastlands, yeah, eastern part of Eastlands. Yeah, let me just say Eastlands. Yeah, so we are here for nyama choma and some drinks. Yeah, so let's just catch up with them and then I will meet you later.
We are not alone. And North ignite. The world is cold. We stand surrounded. We are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
So the next day, we left me and hubby just an afternoon, a relaxed afternoon. We decided to have a walk and just head over to Naivas so we can go and check out some machines that we were told are on offer, guys. Yeah, so we were leaving and I was laughing because he had his sunglasses on. Yeah, of course it was very hot. Yeah, so our plot is dirty, don't mind about the dirt because of the constructions. So when we arrived, we got some checkups here, yeah, before we went into the supermarket.
And North ignite. The world is cold. We stand surrounded. We are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
So let's just see the prices and different machines with their prices and see what we will be taking, if we'll be taking one or if we'll live here without a machine again. Yeah, so if we live without a machine, we'll be forced to wait for more offers in case they are here. But with the current tax situations in the country, guys, we are not sure if we'll be having better offers this year, but we are just hopeful. Yeah, so if you want to get electronics, Black Friday will be coming in November. You can wait and see if Black November will have better prices, or even if prices will be reduced a little bit. But there are some LGs here that have that are on offers, guys, so you can also check them out.
A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. We are not alone. We are not a Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
So guys, after several hours of going around and getting some explanations and comparing the prices with their functionality, yeah, we made a decision and we'll be going home with one. So I'll see you in my next one, when that is when maybe next week, that is when we'll be unboxing, and that is the time I'll be showing you what I took home. So thank you so much for watching till this far, and let me see you in my next one. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section below, and do not skip the ads, guys. I love you always, and cheers.